Hello, my wonderful Keisha fam. It's me, Keisha, and today I am doing a DIY on how to make hot foot. I mean, some serious hot foot. As you can see, I'm already.
Who's that?
Who else? I let Grandma do it. Anyways, sorry about that.
The reason why she's doing this is because
Personal
our
reason.
Wi-Fi
It's sucking.
is just not working. Like, we're dealing with the fire right now. So, like,
They already know
everything
about
is
the
blocked
fire.
off except the lighting, which is a good thing. And that's the last thing we need to happen. So we're trying to charge up all our devices right now. Just in case if something were to go down, it'll be charged until the thing comes on. We should charge my portable charger.
Go ahead. Where is it?
I don't know.
But anyways, I'm making hot foot powder, and I'll be making hot foot oil. So the first thing I put in here is belladonna. As you can see, I'm wearing gloves. And it's an old, it's the end of a
Makeup brush
makeup brush that broke. So I'm just mixing.
That was mine.
Yeah, that I'm using to kind of.
Can I do it?
No, because this is impotent. Not so fast.
Let me do it.
No, because this is impotent. You need to have gloves.
What we need is fucking
Excuse
data.
me. Yeah, we need data.
Can't even call. I'm like, look at this.
I'm in the middle of.
No one cares. They're trying to care about what's going on with my life.
Okay, that's enough.
Can't even call my grandma. And it's supposed to say Sprint. Hallelujah! Damn it! Can I call my dad?
No, I'm in the middle of doing a video.
Well, I'm in the middle of trying to get help over here.
We can't get no help. He's probably on the phone.
Does it look like I give a shit? No.
Anyways, that's what I was saying. I am crushing up some belladonna. Nice and fine. Putting all my energy in here. So, next I'm putting is catnip. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to put that. I was going to, but I'm not. So, put this to the side. Next is my favorite peppers. Carolina Reapers. Dun dun dun. So mix that in here with this. Make sure it's nice and good. I gotta order some more Carolina Reaper. Now, when you're handling this stuff, make sure you have gloves on because it's very poisonous and hot. Then salt. The reason why I'm putting salt in here is for the protection. Even though it's hot foot, I'm still using for protection in a sense of self. As I'm putting it down, I'm protecting the surroundings and the area. I'm protecting the situation. and I'm protecting that the situation is taken care of, so I'm protecting the spout pretty much. So whenever I do use this, I'm keeping the situation at bay. Next, onions. Onions are chopped onion, and it's also good to use. We all know onions is good for. This is my little classic cauldron.
Would you like to use a taki?
No, thank you.
That's hot, you know that, right?
I already got some hot stuff in here.
Well, you know what? This is extreme.
Not as extreme as my
Bro, you can't even eat one of these without coughing, Mom.
I got Carolina Reaper. That's extreme.
Give me one.
No, it's too hot for you. Then cause you I have an asthma attack. So, as you can see, I could try to show you what I have in here. Now I got regular chili peppers.
This video is brought to you by a bag of Takis. You can buy them at your local grocery store. Trust me, they're really good. Now back to the show.
I'm not being sponsored by Takis. Just so you know.
Dang it.
Putting a lot of regular chili flakes in here.
Jesus is working. Hold on, I gotta get out the Holy Bible. Please forgive me, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I just see the Bible with me. Dang, and my Bible.
So just mix that up with the chili pepper. Try to get comfortable here. There we go.
It's okay, sit on my Bible. Don't mind me.
So I got chili flakes in here. And I'm putting my thoughts and my intention into this as I'm mixing and putting it together. And we all know the color red. This is the Ice Emerald Garnet. And we all know what the color red is for. Passion, anger, fire. When you want something red, use red stuff. Okay, I used Carolina already. Next is pepper, and it's garlic pepper. More garlic with pepper. You can get these at your local grocery store or on Amazon or your Etsy shop. And I will put some of these herbs mixtures on my Facebook page once cable and Wi-Fi is back up. I will be posting some of these herbs on there, mixtures. I got an idea. Why don't you put your Bible over there where the cable is and see if that works?
No, I'm praying. What are you talking about?
Pray that everything comes on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good choice. Good choice. You keep doing that. Next is
Yay, I got sprint again.
Next is ginger powder, or you could use regular ginger. I got ginger powder. And ginger is good for a lot of things. I use ginger for everything almost. Good and bad. Next is cayenne. I'm making my shit extra hot. Cayenne powder. Or cayenne pepper. But my hot foot is going to be so spicy. You know it's going to be real. It's on and popping. The hotter, the better. And of course, mix it up, grind it up in there the best way you can. Okay, what else do I have in here? Let's see. I have allspice. I have cinnamon. Cinnamon is always good as well.